Welcome to Learn Sentence with Biology. Today we will learn Grade 10, Bio, Chapter 1, Introduction to Biology. Let's start. Birds and mammals. Birds. Characteristics: vertebrates with feathers and beak. Forelimbs have become wings for flight. Lungs present. Homeothermic. Lay eggs with hard shells. Example: birds. Mammals. Example: wildcat. Characteristics: vertebrates with hair. Have different types of teeth: incisors, canines, premolars, and molars. Have lungs and diaphragm. Homeothermic. Have a placenta and young feed on milk from mammary glands. Example: cats, dogs, and humans. You have completed today's lessons. Don't forget to subscribe for more lessons. See you next time.